Imagine sipping on a coffee that is not just rich and aromatic, but also tingles your taste buds with a hint of spice. Yes, a coffee brewed with red chili powder and whole dried chilies. This unique blend has been creating quite a stir in China and on social media. In Guangzhou City, located in Jiangxi province, a coffee shop took a bold step into the realm of the unknown. Jingshe Coffee, the adventurous establishment, introduced an extraordinarily peculiar iced coffee concoction that incorporates whole chilies and red chili powder. Having launched this chili-infused iced coffee in December, Jingshe Coffee saw the popularity of this unique beverage skyrocket in no time. The cafe now sells it at a rate of 300 cups a day. A viral social media video showcases the coffee served in plastic cups with whole dried chilies and chili powder mixed in. Those who dare to try it claim that while it is a tad spicier than your regular cup of joe, it is far from being unpalatable. One employee at the cafe expressed that it isn't overly spicy. On the contrary, it tastes good. The coffee isn't as strange as one might think. One customer, commenting on social media, wrote that this chili-based coffee isn't bad. The taste is slightly spicy and a little sweet. So, to sum it all up, the spicy coffee trend in China, particularly in Guangzhou City, is a testament to the evolving tastes and adventurous palates of coffee lovers. The unique combination of coffee and chili, though might sound peculiar, has proven to be a hit. It is a testament to the ever-evolving and adventurous world of gastronomy, a world where the traditional boundaries of taste are being continuously challenged and redefined. It's a spicy twist to our beloved caffeine fix, and it seems the world is ready for it. Who knows what other surprising flavors the future of coffee holds?